Welcome back to Brain Beats, where curiosity meets the mind. Today, we're exploring misophonia, an intense emotional reaction to everyday sounds like chewing, tapping, or even breathing. If you've ever felt rage when someone smacks their lips, you're not alone. And now, science is uncovering why. A recent study has found that misophonia may have genetic links to anxiety and depression. This isn't just a quirk. It's rooted in how our brains are wired. Researchers discovered that people with misophonia often share genetic markers associated with anxiety disorders and depression, suggesting that our emotional responses to certain sounds could be tied to our overall mental health. This connection highlights how deeply our sensory experiences are linked to our genes and brain chemistry. What makes this especially fascinating is how it reframes misophonia. It's not just annoyance, it's a window into how our brains process the world, shaped by both genetics and emotions. Thanks for tuning in to Brain Beats. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating connections between our brains and the world around us.